Hello, my name is Pawel Szybiak, and with Kaloyan Hristov and Christos Mansos we have developed the VuGlasses. We would like to thank very much the association The Friends of the Blind, especially Mr. Delannoy and Ms. Lazarro, who have helped us throughout the research of the project and the testing. So very much thank you. What is the goal of the project? It solves a very prominent issue that the visually impaired people face in their everyday life, which is their incapability of accessing printed text. Would it be a menu in a restaurant, a poster at an expo? We very rarely see a Braille translation, and that's why we created this project. What does it do? It has a camera right here, which takes a picture of the text that we would like to access. It sends it to the Raspberry Pi, which has a program in Python that we have coded ourselves. And then it detects the text and sends it to the earphones, which communicate the text to the user.